In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to connect BlackBull Markets with Metatrader 5. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to blackbull.com, and then from here you'll need to register for an account if you don't already have one, or sign into your account. From here it should bring something like this inside of your dashboard. Now from here you'll need to go down to trading accounts, and then you'll need to go either live or demo account. This will work both ways. But from here, you'll need to find the specific one that has Metatrader 5. And then from here, you'll need to go down to the account number and copy it. And from here, you'll need to open up Metatrader 5 like you usually would. Then from here, you'll need to go up to File and then open an account. From here, you'll need to go up to Add New Company and click on BlackBull Group Limited right here. From here, you'll need to click Next. And here you'll see this page right here. And if you want to open a demo account, you can just click Next. But if you want to log in with your actual account, you'll need to click this one down here and then log in with your login credentials and the password that you are created inside of the account. From here, you'll also need to change the server to BlackBull Markets Live and then click Finish. Then from here, you have successfully connected BlackBull Markets with Metatrader 5. I hope this helps. If it does, leave a like and subscribe if you want. So yeah.